None of them rules apply to me. What if it's out of me? No. Not yet. I don't really wanna follow no rules. I'm gonna go to school. Pull up in Patek, we running no Radix and we gonna go cool. We think we so cool. Pull up my shoe true. I'ma show you who is boss. I'm gonna kill you. I ain't got no rules. I'm a real ball runner. I'm gonna pull up on Patek, so we gonna kill that little bitch in the Patek. I'm gonna take it at it, so I can show you murder for real. Murder on B, murder on niggas. Everybody know B gotta kill. Cause I ain't got no fucking rules. Everybody wanna know me like cool. Everybody say I'm so cool, but I never really even go to school. I never really try and none of that. Everybody wanna know me like I'm rich. Yeah, I go to school in Lamborghini for them kids. Got no rules in my own town. Yeah, you wanna pull up on me with a sound. Yeah, you wanna treat me real different now. Okay, but guess what? I'm gonna kill you now. Oh yeah, cause I ain't got no rules, don't mean shit. I'm still a real nigga, so I'm out there. Yeah, cause I don't really wanna follow no motherfucking rules. For the police, they all killing my vibe too. Tryna figure out what the fuck you do. But I'ma chill, oh we gon' chill. Cause I don't really give a fuck about none of them fucking rules. For the police, they all killing my vibe too. Everybody think I'm cool, but I never go to school. Show up in school with a Lambo Porsche, everybody know that I'm cool. Yo, got no rules, I don't really got no rules. What the fuck you want? Everybody wanna tell me like a run, oh fuck you. I don't really wanna fuck with you. But if you wanna start some shit, you tell your bitch to get off of my motherfucking dick. Oh yeah.